Hey guys, this is Avijit here. Welcome back to my channel Crafting with Avijit. Today is Republic Day. I'm wishing you all Happy Republic Day. Today I will making a photo frame for this photo with cardboard and paper. So let's get started. At first I'm taking a cardboard. This outside is 14 into 20 centimeter and inside in 9 into 14 centimeter in size, and a 18 into 24 centimeter craft paper. Now paste it on the cardboard with glue. Now cut it crisscross in the middle with cutter and scissor. And cut the triangle edges. Paste them on the cardboard with glue. And in the outsider of the paper, cut the corners and paste the edges with glue. Next, I take two pieces of 1 into 16 centimeter cardboard and a 1 into 13 centimeter piece. Now attach all the pieces on the frame. And again paste a 13 into 17 centimeter cardboard on this. Now I'm taking a 3 into 12 centimeter cardboard and cut V shape in one side, and also taken a 5.5 into 16 centimeter paper. Paste the two things with glue. Now flat the side and fold. And join it behind the frame with glue. I also using tape. Thereafter, I am taking woolen threads and attach the upper side and left side with glue and tape. Now place the photo into the frame. If you like my video, press the thumbs up and share it, and also subscribe my channel.